Healthy simple. This spiralizer will cut a full 6 pieces of produce in seconds, effortlessly transforming fruits veggies into colorful culinary creations, allowing you to replace noodles with a gluten-free, flavor-packed, healthier option. Hands-free. Our auto-stop feature delivers hands-free cutting. Simply insert veggie, lock it, flip the switch, watch it work. Create large ribbons, fettuccini, spaghetti, linguine curly fries with one simple turn of a knob. Easy to clean, maintain. This sturdy unit easily separates with dishwasher safe removable parts so you can thoroughly clean the spiralizer. It includes a hard bristle cleaning brush so your hands stay clear of the sharp cutting mechanism. Kitchen essentials. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles, juicers. Mix it up. The kitchen should be fun. With Bella it can be. We provide you with quick, convenient kitchen solutions to simplify your hectic life, including small kitchen appliances, cookware, housewares. Top reviews from the United States. Couldn't be happier. So much easier, faster than a manual spiralizer, especially with chronic pain. I haven't had this long, but each time I've used it has resulted in a binge of spiralizing food fun. I have chronic pain issues that are aggravated by trying to use my older, manual Benreiner spiralizer on harder veggies like sweet potatoes, and this spiralizer means I end up with a lot more spiralized veggies, and a lot more comfortably, for my time effort. It doesn't take up any more room than the manual one did. One thing I like about this, and something I think is unique to this spiralizer, or at least not very common, is that I don't have to handle separate sets of very sharp blades when I want to switch to a different size of blade. 2 wishlist things I'd change. Add a narrower tip to the end of the cleaning brush to help push out the small cylinder of veggie that sometimes gets stuck in the piece of metal that inserts into the right end of the veggie being spiralized. I use a kebab skewer for that. Allow the movable carriage to slide all the way off of the end of the unit for easier cleaning. Given the design and price point, that might not be feasible, and it's not a deal breaker, obviously, since I am giving a 5-star review.